modern, minimalistic, mid-century ranch. Hey guys, I'm a designer, decided to build my dream home. This project started originally as a glow up and move on, but about a year into it, I realized that this was gonna be my forever home. So I have been stalking Clancy Lane for years. Clancy Lane is special. It is a historical street in Rancho Mirage. It used to be an equestrian community, so the lots are really big. I love being able to be this close to Palm Springs and still have really wide open spaces and be able to see the mountains. It's just a really special historic neighborhood. My design philosophy going into Clancy Lane was that I really am passionate about marrying the old with the new, and I really try and save or reuse as much of the old from a project. For example, with that T&G ceiling, I really want to save that. If I need to refinish it, I will. Designed this whole roof system so we could get rid of the supports here. This whole window system is standalone, so it doesn't need any support. I wanted it to just be the wow factor. When you walk into the home, you see this beautiful window structure. Ideally, it opens, and then you walk into the property and you see the pool and blah, 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 blah. I knew it was gonna be a big line item in the budget. I just didn't know quite how big. So that's where I'm at right now. I really want that amazing wow factor, but I also have to pay for it. So, but it should be amazing, Tristan. When it's done, it's gonna be fucking amazing.
Hey, Jen.
The boss is here.
Hardly.
Oh,
I can act like the boss, but nobody listens. Hi.
Maria, Brandon.
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
You're late.
I am not. I told you I had a 10:30.
This is Brandon. He's never wrong.
That's not true. If you ask my wife, I'm wrong all the time.
I knew you were going to say that. This is probably the room that will be lived in the most. Great room, mitered glass window corner unit. The idea with the design in this room was really to take advantage of the mountain view, and I wanted to be able to see it when you were standing in the kitchen, because I do so much cooking. I want to be able to see it when I'm cooking and doing all of the dishes. I'm being sarcastic, I don't do any of that. And when they buy this house or use it, they would want to take advantage of that view and also look at the pool. So now we're in the kitchen. This is going to be the island. Sink, I'm gonna sink it with them. Dishwasher, cooktop, fridge, freezer, and then, that's a good trick, dirty pantry. This is probably, I guess, third most excited about. All of the shit you don't want to see will be back here. There you go, really concise. Very elevated language. The dining room, which if I'm living here, probably will never get used. But we'll have a bar. And then I'm most excited about this like secret dish wall. The idea is that when you're walking down the hallway, all you see is, like, you're not gonna see the doorways are gonna be recessed. And so you kind of get this like shining effect. So you just see this amazing, very minimalistic hallway with this beautiful cathedral barreled ceiling. And then it's gonna be uplit. And then I'm doing some really cool inset downlights in the ground, and then a plaster finish all the way around. So it's gonna be very minimal, but really dramatic with the lighting. And then I recessed all of the doorways, so you almost feel like you step into a vestibule and you have your little entrance into your bedroom, and almost like a little hotel room, and you're gonna have a little light here, and I'm very excited about that. This is the garage. It's going to be how many cars? Like
Oh, you can get a lot in here.
Ideally,
just depends on how many lifts.
Yeah, so there's going to be the nice fancy car garage side to the left, which is going to have a car lift. It's going to be temperature enclosed. And then the right side is going to be the dirty side. Ideally, it was double stacked, so we could have at least, let's do some math.
You could at least do 6 in
Six
here, no
cars.
problem.
So this is a 6-car garage. And then the back side is going to be my workshop. This is the dog bathroom. I have 2 golden retrievers. So there's an outside entry, and then this is gonna be an elevated bathtub, so I don't have to bend over to wash them. A laundry room, not too exciting. Now you're coming into the boudoir. Another fireplace. You need a lot of fires in the 120-degree desert.
They are only for looks out here.
This is a pretty self-explanatory room. We're gonna sleep in it. Am I missing anything?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, so this is originally, I had designed this to be my office off the bedroom, which I thought was brilliant, but turns out I already work too much, and maybe putting it off my bedroom was not the best mental health idea. This tree is a trooper. One of the only trees I was able to save on the property, and I love him. People have very strong thoughts. Either they love him or hate him.
I'm fine with that. I think it's close to the house.
Yeah, so it is close to the house. We've had to put a ring of water very close to the root structure so it doesn't want to keep expanding. For those of you who know ficus, they really like to expand their root structure, and then that is no bueno for foundation. But I love trees, especially old trees, and he gives so much character. So yeah, we're keeping him. Now we're in the bathroom. So this is a beautiful glass shower. Amazing, beautiful, big onyx tub. The skylight is still marked, right, on the plans? Because we never have it.
The skylight is marked here on the plans,
yeah,
but we moved it here with the framers.
Yeah, but we haven't changed it. We don't, I'm just saying we don't have it indicated anywhere.
No.
Other than your brain, which I know is a good place.
And the hole that's there.
We don't have a hole. They covered it. They resheeted it.
No, they just set the sheet right over the top.
No, he said he screwed it in.
Yeah.
I'm just saying I want to make sure that whomever is in charge knows that that's still happening. Okay, because that's okay.
Yeah.
So there's a skylight going in.
Yeah.
There. Ta-da! This is. I'm never going to leave. This is actually where I'm going to be buried. Is this closet? It's big. How many square feet do we think this is?
I don't know, it's probably close to 120 square feet.
That doesn't sound that big.
All right, so it's 160.
Anyway, it seems a lot bigger when you're in it. That doesn't sound very big. It's like bigger than my first apartment in Chicago. Let's just say that. I'm gonna have an island, and it has a window, and it's gonna have a washer and dryer, and a skylight.
Yeah, it's probably 250 square feet.
Oh, see, 250. That sounds better. 250. Very excited about this whole room. And if there's anybody who does custom closets and wants to make this a showcase, reach out to me. This is the pool, inset spa, pour over.
Volleyball.
Oh yeah, it's gonna have inset poles so we can play volleyball in it. A tanning shelf at the end. A Baja shelf if we're getting fancy. Anything else? It's big. I made it this big because I really needed to create a focal point for when people walked in to the property. And so this is the focal point. Party time. This is gonna be the main room. The idea would be guests can come over here, spend a day to 2 days, mom, a basically full kitchen, and a very small island that's movable here. And then you have your bedroom off to the left here with an ensuite bath that will also be accessible from the outside, as well as a bedroom to the right of the main room with a bathroom accessible off that side. The idea when I designed this place was kind of multi-generational living. I had just gotten done taking care of my mom who passed away, and I know that like it was very helpful to have a space that I could live in when she was declining that wasn't part of her space. And I think more and more people are having elderly parents live with them and needing caregivers to live with them and so forth. So I think when designing this house, I was trying to cater to that need. And hopefully my parents, hopefully mom and dad don't need to come live with me, but you never know. Don't get any ideas, Mom. So when I walked in to this home and I saw that ceiling and I saw the lot itself, this property, I knew that it was special, and I knew that I wanted to do my thing, do my magic, I guess, do the Jen thing, as people say. I didn't know it was gonna turn into this. I didn't know it was gonna turn into my dream project. That kind of evolved over time. This project started originally as I hate to use the word flip, but it was gonna turn into a glow up and move on. But then that was how it originally started. But about a year into it, I realized that this was gonna be probably my forever home.